About this time on Saturday morning, we like to have a chat to Dr. Uwe from Neutrog to give us up to date about what's happening in the soil. It keeps our plants in pots and gardens and veggies, keeps our plants happy. It's all to do with the soil, and maybe it's the smell of the soil. Hi, Uwe. What do you mean?
Yeah, good morning, Graham. Yeah, I guess, many of us have walked out into the garden after a rain event and you get that lovely earthy smell, and you also get that when you turn over your compost heap. Now, that's due to a compost called Geosmin, which is actually created by a bacteria called Streptomyces, and what that indicates is that your soil is biologically active, meaning it has lots of fungi and lots of bacteria in it, exactly the sort of thing that you want to have for a healthy soil.
Goodness, tell me a little bit more about this compound. I know the smell, but I didn't know what it was called.
Yeah, so Geosmin is a bit of a strange compound. Humans can detect it at very low levels, and we love the smell of it. But it's also the thing that gives that distinct earth flavour, and it's even being used in perfumes to get that earthy smell. So we don't really know why bacteria produce Geosmin. It may be to attract soil insects like those springtails and pillbugs that you see in your compost, and these insects obviously help in breaking down organic material and turning over the soil. And when they do that, they then carry the spores of these bacteria to other locations in your garden. But for gardeners, that smell is that indication of those Streptomyces, and these guys are little dynamos for plant health. They take up the space on the roots of other plants. They produce antibiotics to suppress pathogens, and on top of that, they're obviously involved in breaking down organic material, increasing nutrient availability, and they've also been shown to have, some plant growth stimulating effects.
Wow. Well, I know, people say, this soil is so good, you can eat it, Well, it's the smell that the people are saying. It sounds like these are really good guys that you do want to have in the garden.
They certainly are. They're one of the great achievers among the soil microbes. And because Streptomyces produce these spores, it means they're actually present in most soils. Although if your soil is neglected, they're there at really low numbers. So in order to encourage these guys to multiply, this is really easily done by using an organic mulch like Whoflungdung, which is obviously biologically active, and also, of course, by using your own compost. So, with a bit of moisture under the mulch like Whoflungdung and watering in with GOGO Juice, you'll encourage those Streptomyces to multiply. And before you know it, your soil will have that really rich, earthy smell.
Yeah, look, a soil that's alive not only is good for your plants, but it smells good. Who would have thought it? It's just about perfect. So get that rich aroma in your soil. You certainly, listeners, want to proliferate these little beneficial microbe critters. A great start is by using the Neutrog's Whoflungdung. It's the most successful product, I think, that's ever been released in gardening, certainly for a long, long time. It's a biologically active mulch, in combination, of course, with the GOGO Juice, which we often mention. Now, these products are available at Bunnings and other hardware outlets and, of course, really good garden centres. Thank you for that, Uwe.
No problems, Graham. Have a fantastic week.
You too, pal. All the best to you. Yeah, who'd have thought? That smell comes from a beneficial little critter in the soil.